Hello everyone, here I am going to discuss the quiz number 5. How many C2 and C3 axes are there in P4 molecule? As we know that P4 is tetrahedral, and here I have the P4 molecule. 4 phosphorus atom arranged tetrahedrally, and in this structure it is very much clear that there are 4 C3 axis of symmetry, each C3 axis passing through at least one atom. See this. For example, here we have C3 axis. See, this is the C3 axis. Let us consider just this example, C3. If the molecule rotates by 360 degree on this axis, it comes to its original position 3 times. See this. For every 120 degree rotation, it comes to its original position, and therefore this axis is called C3 axis. In the same manner, we have this also as C3 axis, this also as C3 axis, this also as C3 axis. Overall 4 C3 axis. Now, how many C2 axis? That is the basic problem in this question. How to see this? See, this is the case. Every tetrahedral has C2 axis also. For example, see this. This molecule has a C2 axis passing through here, or passing through these two corners, these two edges. See, overall in P4 we have 6 edges, and whenever a C2 axis passes through these edges, every C2 axis occupy 2 edges, and therefore we can say that it can have only 3 C2 axis of symmetry. Let us see the C2 axis of symmetry in this particular P4. See this. This is your one of the C2 axis of symmetry. If the molecule rotate by 180 degree along this axis, see, next this, and again it is coming to this position. For every 80 degree rotation, it comes to its original position. In the same manner, this axis also behave as C2 axis. If I rotate like this on this axis, it will come to its original position 2 times for every 360 degree. In the same manner, this axis is also C2 axis. If the molecule rotate like this, it will come to its original position for every 180 degree, overall 2 times in 360 degree. Let us see this. Just watch this. See, this is your C2 axis of symmetry. And in the same manner, we can say that overall it has 3 C2 axis of symmetry. Therefore, the question which was given in the quiz number 5 has overall the answer is 7, 3 C2 and 4 C3. Okay, thanks.